Hey guys, what's going on? What's going on? Ken with Bitcoin Crazy channel here on YouTube. Hey, thanks for stopping by. As you know, if you've been watching my other videos and you've been subscribing, you know that I give you updates on pretty much everything Bitcoin, altcoin, ICOs, new forks that are coming, just everything that is driving the market when it has to do with cryptocurrency. So please stay tuned. And you know what? You know what I love is I love people that subscribe to my channel. Over in the right hand corner, you're going to see a little green button. You can click that, or at the end of this video, a little window will pop up and you can click there and subscribe as well. I subscribe to a lot of people that put out news and things like that as well. From different countries around the world. So I get information all the time and I try to verify what I'm getting so I can pass it out to you guys, whether it's, like I said, free Bitcoin giveaway sites, faucets, mining sites, you name it. I try to give you the best things that are scam free out there. So with that being said, I want to go ahead and transition over to the topic of the day. And the topic of the day is simply this: Nasdaq Bitcoin future contracts will source price information from over 50 exchanges. So what that means is this: whether you are dealing with exchanges right now with your altcoins and Bitcoin, Bittrex, Poloniex, HitBTC, Ether Delta, Coin Exchange, you name it, it's going to take over 50 of those exchanges. It's going to average the Bitcoin price, and it will predicate a futures contract on that. So what you're going to be able to do is you're going to be able to invest in NASDAQ on said future, anticipating it to come up or anticipating it to come down in price. And you can make money that way. So you don't have to dump, hey, I need to buy Bitcoin. How am I going to do it? It's $10,000. Well, you're not going to have to worry about that, because then you can get into NASDAQ and just bet on the future of the thing itself. So that's pretty awesome. So guys, hang tight with me. I'm going to go ahead and read some stuff from this article, if you don't mind sitting there, rather than you guys having to read it yourself. Futures contracts have always been quite appealing to speculators and market makers. Keyword here, speculators. That's what futures are. This is especially true in the world of Bitcoin, as many people would like to be exposed to the price without needing to buy Bitcoin itself, which is pretty cumbersome for most people. Nasdaq is getting in on the Bitcoin futures action as its new contracts will launch in 2018. So if you watched my other videos in the past, you know what I was saying is causing the Bitcoin price to go up. So watch those videos. I'll try to put a link here at the end so you can jump to it. So they go on to talk about no one is really surprised to see Nasdaq's going all in on Bitcoin trading these days. The company has been open-minded when it comes to cryptocurrencies for several years now. Moreover, it has some of the more traditional investment vehicles linked to Bitcoin on its Nordic exchange as well. Adding Bitcoin future contracts to the main exchange platform makes a lot of sense, especially given the current interest in the world's leading cryptocurrency, being Bitcoin. According to Reuters, Nasdaq will offer its Bitcoin future contract at some point in 2018. I've read that numerous hedge fund companies are listing already in these next week and a half, 2 weeks, to list on NASDAQ. So I know the process is already going, and I know these companies have already bought hundreds of millions of dollars in Bitcoin, guys. The currency, a lot of price volatility ensued shortly after this $10,000 mark, because what's been going on is these companies have already been buying this and preparing for it. Bitcoin price has been exposed. Investors have already done this. And betting on the price of Bitcoin is still gambling, but it is more approachable proposition than buying Bitcoin directly. And they're talking about buying futures. Moreover, Nasdaq has joined a growing list of financial bastions, finally getting with the Bitcoin program. We talked about these before in past videos. CBOE Holdings and CME Group, those are the two I'm talking about buying hundreds of millions of dollars, have also announced their Bitcoin futures product, which are all set to launch in the next few weeks. this industry will see a lot of competing providers in short order, which can only be considered a good thing. At the same time, this may result in even more Bitcoin price volatility, although it remains to be seen how that will play out exactly. And I can go on. This service was made possible in part by Nasdaq partnership with Van Eck. The New York-based money manager will help develop the Bitcoin futures contracts, which in turn will be cleared by the Option Clearinghouse Corporation. This is the same company handling all Nasdaq's futures contracts, mind you, and it's good to see them getting on board with Bitcoin. For now, it's unclear when this new product will come to market exactly. So guys, I've been talking about this for the past 2 weeks. Futures are coming to Nasdaq. So be forewarned, be aware, keep watching my subscription, because if you don't have time, this will alert you in a pop-up on your screen every time I put some news out there, and I will alert you to when it's coming again. The price is sitting somewhere around $9,900 per Bitcoin right now. Check out my other videos because I did talk about some other Bitcoin crash resistant coins, exactly 4 of them. And don't forget to come back and watch my videos on the new Bitcoin that is coming soon. Bitcoin Crazy channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day.